What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you're good. I hope you are doing great. Guys, today in this video, let me show you how to create this tracking Saber animating effect inside Adobe After Effects. So now let me show it to you how you can do it. So as you see here, guys, I'm going to create the new composition. So press OK, and then let me import my image. Yeah, this is the image that I'm going to use. Guys, this image I have been shooting for the phone. It is shooting on 4K. Remember, my composition is in full HD, so I have to reduce it just a little bit. Okay, this is nice. Okay, this is my image, how it is. I try to use my phone for shooting this video. Okay, but if you have the camera, it is better. So now let me find where I just want to cut my image, because I will not use these whole ones. Okay, so let me cut it by here. Okay, yeah, this one, and then right click and then trim to comp. Okay, so now come here on the beginning and then click here on this layer, and then go here on this pen tool, and I'm going to select, or I'm going to mask this screen. Okay, so I try to use this point. Okay, so when you're done, okay, click M for your keyboard, and then you have to choose none. Okay, and then right click, go here on new, and then I'm going to create the solid, and then press OK. So you have to unmute this solid. Okay, and then I'm going to create the 4 point, which will help me to fit it with this original one. Okay, so now click here on this video, and then click here on this track motion. So I got some point. I'm going to use this point for tracking each point. So now for this first point, I have to put it here for this first point. Okay, and then after put it, you have to click here for tracking. Okay, so it will take you the time. Okay, depend how long your video is. After done, click new. After that, you have to click the null object, and then click on edit target. You have to press this null one. Okay, and then you have to click apply. Right, so and I'm going to create again another point. You have to click this main layer, and then click on track motion. So for this track motion, for this track point, you have to select the second point. Okay, for this is my second point, and I'm going to, guys, you have to put it this blue line on the beginning before tracking, and then let me track. Okay, this also it will track my point. Yes, until it's done. Yes, perfect. After it's done, and I'm going to create the null object too. Okay, when this tracking is done, create the null object. Yes, and then go here on the edit target. You have to choose null tool because it is track point 2, and then you have to click to apply. Okay, so and I'm going to do this tool remains one. Okay, you have to click on main layer. So let me do it first as possible. Maybe you see the way I am using. Okay, so you have to track these two remains point. Okay, just we have to wait just a little bit, and then for this last one to have to also to track it. Yes, just a little bit, guys. Yes, when it's done, you have to create the null. That's cool. When you're done, just click here on this main layer of this video, and then let me click here on this solid, and you have to enable this eye for this solid layer. Okay, you see my point, so right, so now click M for mask, and then let me open up this mask, and then you have to click here on this mask path, and go here on this window. I'm going to search the effect called this create null from perf, and then clicking here on this point fall off null. Okay, so the things I'm going to do, you see guys, I received 4 nulls layers. Okay, so I have to link with my original point. So for this null one, I have to combine it with this null 6. Okay, so I have to link this null 1 with this null 6 because it's the same point. Okay, I have to link using this parent link. In this one, you see the point is also attached on the default place. Okay, so and I have to link this null 5 with this null 2. Yes, this is better guys, this is nice. And then let me find another point. Okay, this null 7, I have to link it with this null 3. Nice one. Okay, and this last one too, I have to link it with this null 4. Better. So guys, when you're done, the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to find the best effect, right guys? When you play, you see this null is attaching with my point. So go here on effect and preset, and then search the effect called the Saber effect. Guys, this is the plugin, but it's free. Okay, it's free to download. You can go on Google and then you download this Saber, and then you have to drop it here on this black solid one. Okay, this black solid one layer. Go here on customize color, choose the layer mask. You see guys how my Saber effect is. Go here on normal and then choose add. You see I received my video. So guys, here you can reduce this grow intensity, depend what kind of the Saber you want. Okay, if it is growing too bright, that's okay. So now go here on end offset. Okay, this is how long, yeah, this is how long my Saber will. Okay, so when I try to use this mask evolution, you see how my Saber will be going. Okay, that's so nice. So, and I'm going to add keyframe, and on the beginning for this black solid one, and then move this line for the ending, and I have to animate. So I have to add -2 because the keyframe also it is added. Guys, when I play, let me see how my Saber will be going. That's so nice guys, this is so nice. So, and I'm going to try to increase this end offset. Yes, in this way, this is not so nice guys. For this mask evolution, you can also add it 2. The reason why I add -2 because you see one side is going in clockwise, other side is going with anti-clockwise. That reason why. Okay, so after animating this Saber, for this black solid one, and I'm going to, let me try to increase again. Okay, here you can choose any color you want. Okay, so let me choose this one. I like this color. Yes, so and I'm going to duplicate this black solid one. Okay, so after duplicating, and I have to add the keyframe also here, but first adding keyframe, I have to move this Saber here down. Okay, because one will be started up, other one will be started down. Okay, so you have to do it before adding keyframe, and then you have to add keyframe, and then let me go here where my video is ended. Let me also add -2 because it will go on the same direction. Okay, so when I play guys, you see the final result, how my Saber effect is going on. This is perfect. Okay, this is nice. So after animating guys, the things I'm going to do, I'm going to change the color for one of them. Okay, let me add red. Yes, for this one I have to add red. Yes, you see this is nice effect. So for this preset, there is many preset you want. You can use fire, you can use electricity, you can use whatever you want. You can use any preset you want, guys. Okay, you see, those are many presets you can use. This is, for example, this is electricity, this is fire, but let me use Saber as default. Okay, so this is good. And sorry for my PC, this rendering is going too slow, but it is okay. So let me add 35 here to increase the growth for this intensity, and this is second black solid one. Okay, one is black solid one, another one is black solid 2. So click on this main layer and then search the effect called exposure. I just want to reduce the light which is in my video. Okay, I can decrease the exposure for this video because my Saber effect will looks good, okay, when the exposure is reduced. Guys, this is the final result. This is how you can create this effect in Adobe After Effects. I told you that Saber plugin, you can download it on the internet. So maybe, guys, if there is any question, please drop it in the comment down below. I just want to know what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in next video, guys. Peace.